Hey everybody, today we're going to be checking out a 6-port USB hub. It has 4 data transfer ports and 2 quick charging ports. There's the information on the back. And I was not going to do a review of this product. I was just buying it for myself because the one that I had was no longer working. So I just decided to buy a replacement off of Amazon. And then I decided to do a video on it. Nice little note. Yeah, so I opened it and then I closed it right back up. It's got a little light there. I had a 7-port one before, so this one's a little smaller, but it'll still work. And then this one has a little bit smaller DC plug. And then here is the 3.0. I did keep the other blue cable from my last set, so if this one isn't as long, then I'll just use my other one. Let's see. And nope, they're the same length. Just to prove to you I did keep it. There you go. Got a little 12 volt in, and I think it does like 5 volts out. But yeah, my old brick was about the same size as this one. So it's a big size difference. I have a different, just a 4-port USB hub with no quick charging that I just use for my lighting. And that's what this is plugged in. Oh, the blue light comes on. I'll charge up my Brone MP3 player. It hasn't been charged in a little bit. And there we go, and it's charging. So this is just a quick review that I was not planning on doing, but I decided to do one just because I had the product. And it brings you guys a little bit of extra content because I didn't do a video of my original one. So if you guys liked the video, hit the like button down below. Comment down below if you have any suggestions for future videos. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber because I have a lot more content to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.